Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful and fun skills you can add to your creative toolkit, how to make a custom flyer using Canva. Whether you want to promote an event, advertise a sale, share a school announcement, or spread the word about something important, this tutorial will show you exactly how to create a professional-looking flyer from start to finish using Canva for free. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Canva works on computers, tablets, and even phones, so you can follow along on whatever device you prefer. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Just follow the prompts to create your account or log in if you already have one. Once you land on the Canva homepage, look toward the top right corner for the Create a Design button. Click it and you'll see a drop-down menu filled with different design options. Canva has templates for almost everything, from social media posts to business cards and presentations. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on flyers. In the search bar, type the word flyer. Canva will instantly show several flyer options and formats. Select the standard flyer option so your design opens with the correct dimensions already set up. This saves you time and makes sure your flyer looks polished when printed or shared online. Now you'll enter one of the best parts of Canva, the template library. You'll see hundreds of professionally designed flyer templates, covering all kinds of styles and themes. Some are bold and colorful, others are minimal and clean. You might find templates for concerts, restaurant specials, school events, fitness classes, or business promotions. Take a moment to browse through and pick a design that fits the message you want to share. Don't stress too much about finding the perfect template because everything can be customized later. Think of the template as your starting point. Once you click on a template, it opens inside the Canva editor. Now the real fun begins. Every element on the flyer can be changed. You can click directly on the text boxes to replace the sample wording with your own information. Add your event name, dates, times, locations, prices, or any other details you need people to know. If you want to change fonts, text size, or colors, use the toolbar at the top of the screen. Canva makes it super easy to experiment with different styles. You can also drag elements around the page to adjust the layout. Next, let's customize the images. If the template includes photos you don't want to use, simply click on them and replace them with your own images or graphics. Canva also has a huge built-in library of free photos, icons, and illustrations you can use to make your flyer more eye-catching. You can even update the background colors to match your brand, school colors, or event theme. Try to keep your flyer visually balanced and easy to read. A common mistake beginners make is adding too much text or too many colors. Sometimes simpler designs actually stand out more. As you work, remember that Canva automatically saves your progress, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. And if you make a mistake, just hit the undo button. Before downloading your flyer, take a minute to carefully review everything. Double-check spelling, dates, contact information, and spacing. It's always worth giving your design one final look before sharing it. Once you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click the Share button, then choose Download. Canva will ask which file format you want. PDF is usually best for printing, while PNG or JPEG works great for posting online or sharing on social media. Choose your format, click Download, and your flyer is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom flyer in Canva from start to finish. With just a few simple tools and templates, you can design something that looks polished, professional, and completely your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step Canva and design tutorials. And if you have questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.